Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today's recipe is that of AIP breakfast or snack bars. These are very easy to make and they are absolutely delicious. Start with 1 cup of tiger nut flour, and then we need 1/4 cup of collagen peptides. Use any brand but make sure it's grass fed. And then I have organic dried shredded coconut. I like Let's Do Organic Bread. That's again 1/4 cup. And then I have the special ingredient. This is Lovebird cereal, which is the unsweetened version, and half a cup of that. Now if you cannot find the cereal, you can use crushed plantain chips instead. Then you can do some additional toppings, like I like to use seeds now that I have reintroduced them. So I do pumpkin seeds or sesame seeds. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup sesame seeds, but if you cannot do seeds, then do raisins or cranberries, right? Unsweetened cranberries. And then you have 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix everything like kind of well together using a spoon, just so that you're getting all the dry mixture blended well together. And after that we'll add the liquid ingredients. So for the sweetener I have maple syrup, and I'm using 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Now if you're using raisins for the AIP version, then you may want to cut down on the maple syrup, because raisins will also give you some amount of sweetness there, so you can adjust it accordingly. Now then you have melted coconut oil. I use 1/4 cup, and we need a little bit more, so 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons more of melted coconut oil. You could also use palm shortening instead as well. And then half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You could also use vanilla powder. And then just mix everything well together. That's it pretty much. You just stir to mix, and you will get like a doughy wet mixture. And then all you need to do is kind of dump it all into a pan, a brownie pan lined with parchment paper. And then I greased like the back of my measuring cup to use and pat it, so then that way you get like a uniform square. And next we place it in the refrigerator for a couple hours to set. Once it's set, all you need to do is cut it into the desired shape and size. I like to typically cut it into about 8 equal size bars from this. So basically I go make like 4 equal cuts, and then further divide it into 2, so I get 8 these size bars. So these last me and my husband for a week. These are absolutely delicious. I hope you try this recipe. Please visit cooktonourish.com for more recipes, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.